Did you know that you can now use your words to create music? Yeah, well, with Adobe, which already has a suite of 56 Creative Cloud applications, they are now adding this new product called Project Music GenAI Control. And what you can do with this application is just insane. So hear me out. You can simply just input text prompts as to what kind of music you want to listen to, and it creates it right away. Not just that. Users can also remix certain parts of the sections or hit repeating loops and make it suitable for various content creation needs like backing tracks or podcasting and even for animation. But not just that, Adobe always is one step ahead. Literally showcased the capability of pixel level adjustments, meaning you can make these very little detailed adjustments to it specifically with these prompts, which is giving the users a direct and detailed level of adjustment to your music. And the company also emphasizes on its commitment to ethical or legal commitments by using its generative AI tools that were actually trained by licensed or public domain data to actually avoid any intellectual property damage. However, while the product is actually in early research stages and does not actually have a user interface, Adobe's initiative in this space actually means a huge step forward in music creation and editing. And it's just going to be so exciting to see what people could come out with in the near future. Anyways, that's it for this video. If you like my content, leave it a thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below and see you in the next one.